Statements. From the online banking homepage, enter your username and password and click Sign In. On the left-hand side, you'll see you have an option for Statements. Let's click on that. It will bring you to the Statements page. On here, you'll see you have the ability to select the account. Use this drop-down to select any of the accounts that you want to see statements or tax documents for. In this example, we're going to click this one. As you see over here, we're viewing statements. By default, it will say View Statements. Right here is where you would change that. If you'd rather look at tax documents, you can click on here. In this test case, I don't have any loaded, but we can look through it. There you go. And so if there were any tax documents, they would be available to you here. Let's go back to Statements. And as you can see, here are all of the months of my statements. Each one, you would click on these 3 buttons. You can view it or download it and move on from there.